This video covers the full diminished 7th chord for C sharp minor. The notes are, now remember these full diminished 7th chords are built on minor thirds. Alright, so we have a C sharp, an E, then we have a G natural, a minor third up, and then here, B flat, these. And you'll notice with the C sharp here, that's actually, these two are together. And when we have two notes like that, we're going to use 3 and 4 for them, and then 1 and 2 for the others. So it's that. Same for the left hand. We got here, that's finger. This spreads all the fingers out. This is the one you start with when you're working on trying to learn the arpeggios. These full diminished 7th chords are wonderful for that, to prepare you for the others. The pattern is 1, 2, 3, and 4 notes per beat. 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves up and down. If you're just getting started at it, you may just want to go a couple octaves, but otherwise you do that. You accent on the beat, and you drop the wrist on the accent, and you do the parallel and contrary motion and all that stuff. For the tremolo exercise, again, you can just go 1 or 2 octaves at a time if you want. 2 notes, 1 note per beat or 2 notes per beat to get it, drill it in. So if I go, it's like I could do both. 1 octave here, and you don't have to start. If you're only going 2 octaves, you can come up here. It's a little comfortable. It's 1 note per beat. The idea, I hope. Then try the arpeggio itself. 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves. You're just starting down here. It's an octave below middle C. It's here. 1 octave, a note per beat. 2 octaves, 2 notes per beat. 3 octaves. 4 octaves. Then split up. The whole bit, contrary and parallel, the whole pattern. You don't necessarily need to do the inversions on this because the inversions are actually other arpeggios. Now we cover in other videos. Although you could do the inversions, you wanted to go ahead and do the other. That's fine, but I don't know that it's that important in my opinion. When I was in college, I had to do them every time. I didn't understand why, because they're the same as the others, but I do. And that's this one.